I couldn't compromise my values, Jane. But now I'm left wondering if I made the right choice. Will I ever get a chance again? Mia, your talent is undeniable. You have something unique to offer. True greatness always finds its way. I refuse to believe that my dreams can only be achieved through sacrificing my principles. There must be a way to succeed without losing my soul. There is, Mia, but it requires courage and unwavering determination. Are you willing to forge a different path? This song is for all the dreamers who refuse to compromise their integrity. It's time to reclaim our authenticity. In a world blinded by illusion, I choose to be the light. I refuse to let my soul be sold for hollow fame. Thank you, Jane, for showing me that I can stay true to myself and still make a difference. I've found my voice. You've always had it within you, Mia. Now go out there and inspire others with your unwavering valor. Inspired by real-life struggles of faith and creativity, this story reflects the journey of standing firm in your beliefs while pursuing your dreams. Our Bible verse, James 1:12. Blessed is the one who perseveres under trial, because having stood the test, that person will receive the crown of life. If this story resonates with your walk of faith, share it to inspire others.